When it comes to working with aluminum, automotive DIYers know that getting a clean, smooth cut can be a challenge. Aluminum, being softer and more ductile than other metals, has a tendency to clog up standard carbide burrs, which not only slows down your work, but can also ruin your tools. That's why choosing the right carbide burr, specifically Aluma-cut burrs, makes all the difference. Aluma-cut carbide burrs are engineered with a unique flute design that's tailored for non-ferrous metals like aluminum. Unlike standard burrs, which have finer teeth that can quickly clog, Aluma-cut burrs feature wider, deeper flutes. This design allows material to be efficiently removed, reducing the risk of buildup and ensuring a much smoother finish. If you've ever struggled with clogged burrs, switching to Aluma-cut is a game changer. The aggressive cutting action slices through aluminum with ease, keeping the burr clean and maintaining its cutting performance for longer periods. Let's talk about real-world results. We put several Aluma-cut burrs to the test on actual engine parts, intake manifolds, cylinder heads, and valve covers. Parts where precision and finish really matter. Before starting, we made sure the work area was clean and the parts were free from any oils or debris. As we began grinding, the difference was clear. The Aluma-cut burrs glided through the aluminum, producing consistent, smooth cuts without the frustrating clogging you'd expect from a standard burr. The finish was not only clean, but also required minimal touch-up, which is essential when you're prepping parts for assembly or polishing. But we didn't stop there. To push these burrs further, we tried out a few lubrication hacks. Lubrication is a secret weapon against clogging and heat buildup. For aluminum, a simple solution like WD-40 or even light machine oil works wonders. Before each pass, we applied a thin coat of lubricant to the burr or directly onto the workpiece. This simple step helped the burr stay cool, further reduced the chance of clogging, and made the cutting action even smoother. Not only does this preserve your burr's lifespan, but it also ensures the surface finish on your engine parts stays crisp and professional. Another tip for DIYers: pay attention to your tool speed. High-speed rotations can lead to more heat and potential clogging, even with Aluma-cut burrs. We recommend sticking to moderate speeds and letting the tool do the work. If you notice any buildup starting to occur, stop and reapply lubricant. Cleaning your burrs after each use with a stiff brush or compressed air will also keep them working at their best. So, if you're looking to upgrade your toolkit, Aluma-cut carbide burrs are a must-have for anyone working with aluminum. Their design drastically reduces clogging, they deliver smoother cuts, and when paired with a good lubrication routine, you'll be amazed at the professional results you can achieve, even in a home garage. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more hands-on advice, tool reviews, and DIY hacks. And we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried our carbide burr tools on your own projects? Leave a comment below and let us know your experience, or ask any questions you have about working with aluminum. Your feedback helps us create better content and guide fellow DIYers to success. Thanks for tuning in, and happy grinding.